If you've avoided being the first person in the meeting, you need to watch this. People engage in over 11 million video conference calls daily. Yep, you heard that right. There's only one problem. Nothing about video calls is easy. Every time you have a meeting, you need to adjust lighting, get cords and cables plugged in, establish a connection, and so much more. Even with all this prep, it's inevitable that you'll have some sort of tech or environment hiccup on the call. That's where we come in. We're Enovec, and we're the builders of immersive meeting rooms that work, integrating visual and audio technologies into a room solution. We empower you with one button to join, literally learning to push a button for meetings. It's that simple. With Enovec, we make it intuitive through smart sensor that automatically sets the stage with lights dimming, curtains drawing, and devices ready for a truly frictionless meeting experience. Find yourself closer to people through the masterclass of Jabra Panicast 50 video bars 180 degrees wide 4K resolution lens, accompanied with natural audio. A meaningful meeting begins with a cost-effective yet welcoming and productive room. At Enovec, instead of lending you a hand, we extend you our arm to make your first impression last. The future of modern meetings is here.